Art panel workstation storage solutions for small homes let you hide a functional desk behind beautiful artwork so your living space stays uncluttered and stylish. Start by measuring the available wall depth and width, and plan a shallow cavity at least 3 inches deep for laptops and 2.5 inches for shelving clearance when closed. Then select a mounting system that suits your wall type, such as French cleats for drywall or toggles for plaster. Use sliding framed panels on a top track with a bottom guide to ensure smooth lateral movement and prevent rattling. Choose soft close rollers for longevity and add felt pads at contact points to protect artwork edges. If you prefer vertical concealment, consider magnetic artwork panels that lift on gas struts to reveal outlets and a fold-out laptop shelf that locks at a 90-degree angle for stability. Route power using flat extension cords tucked behind trim, and install a shallow raceway for neat cable management. For tool organization, install framed pegboard panels behind one artwork piece to hold small tools, chargers, and accessories using short hooks and small bins. Paint the pegboard the same color as the cavity to keep visual continuity when open. When building an art-to-desk pivot system, use laminated plywood for the desk surface to keep weight low, and install heavy-duty hinges with a built-in stop so the desk rests level. Add a piano hinge if you need continuous support across the full width. Finish with washable fabric liners inside the cavity to prevent scuffs. And use low-profile ventilation slots or a slim USB fan if you store electronics long-term to avoid heat buildup. 3 common mistakes are making the cavity too shallow, which causes obstructions and forces frequent removal of devices, not leaving enough service access for outlets, so cords get pinched, and using heavy canvases with inadequate hardware, which leads to sagging or failure. Correct these by allowing the minimum clearances mentioned earlier, installing recessed or surface-mounted outlets inside the cavity, and using hardware rated for at least double the expected load. Another frequent issue is poor panel alignment that causes sticking or scratching. Prevent this by installing a bottom guide rail and checking alignment during a dry fit before final fastening. People also forget about ventilation and end up with hot devices. Mitigate that with passive vents near the top and bottom of the cavity or a low-profile fan wired to a switched outlet. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who can design and install art panel workstation systems, and gives contractors a place to list their services to reach clients looking for custom storage solutions. We also host a discussion community where we exchange plans, tips, photos, and construction experiences so members can learn from each other and refine their projects.